Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device now. So what can you do in this kind of a miserable situation? So firstly, what you have to do is to turn off your Motorola, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option recovery mode. When you see no command message, hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, also by using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, select an option wipe data factory reset. Then select factory data reset, and after a few seconds the message data wipe complete appears, and after you see it, select an option reboot system now and your device will be restarted in about a minute or two. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.